Hi everyone. Um, this was supposed to be a blog post, but I decided to just make it into a video and kind of like keep everything as short as possible. This is a quick review of Xiaomi's Inface silicone cleanser, which is kind of like a dupe of those silicone cleansers like the Foreo, which come very expensive. Um, I got this for $15 off AliExpress. That's before shipping, $15. And within the package, it comes with a USB charging cable with a funny mouth, and the silicone cleanser itself. The silicone cleanser itself within its case, within its carrying case, and an instruction manual, which unfortunately, as always, comes in Chinese. I decided to get this silicone face cleanser because I wanted to stop using sponge on my face. I've decided to kind of like switch from using a physical exfoliator on my face to using chemical exfoliators only. So I needed something that was gentle enough to just like clean off dirt and oil from my face without scrubbing too much. And so far so good, it has been working just fine. I decided to go with this particular brand because let's face it, at $15 is cheaper compared to Foreo, which can go up to like $200. I think $100 to $200 thereabout is quite expensive. So this was quite cheap, and so far so good. It has been very very effective for me. Um, Out of the case, this is what it looks like. This is the brush area, and this is the power button, which you have to press for like 2 seconds to turn on. You hold it and it comes on and it starts to vibrate. Then you can press the button several times to change the intensity of the vibration. I usually have it on high vibration. You can hold for a few seconds again to turn off. This is what the back looks like, and beneath you have the charging port. This part exactly is kind of like a placeholder where when you're done using it, you just put it into the placeholder and allow the water to drain out. It's water resistance. It's water resistance, though I don't usually leave it within water for a long time. I just kind of like soak it a little bit for like a minute or two, so rinse it off and that's it. I'm done, and I place it back into its holder. This carry case is very very important for when you travel, so that nothing bumps against it and damages the bristles, or turns it on and leaves it vibrating throughout your journey. As far as work time would go, when you turn it on exactly, it works for like it works for 90 seconds, after which it automatically turns off on its own. So 90 seconds is there's a skincare rule that says you need to wash your face for like 60 seconds to achieve maximum effective, as in to effectively clean your face and let your cleanser work. This works for 90 seconds, so you have 90 seconds to like wash your face and your neck and your ear area, and it works just fine for me. I've been using it for like, I think it's a month now, and I've not recharged it again, so I think the charge really really lasts a long time. When charging it, it has a white LED light around this point that comes on and blinks on and off. There's a white light around this area that blinks on and off, on and off. 1 minute, let me get my charger to show you guys. Okay, so I'm back. So I'm currently charging it with my Xiaomi Powerbank, and this is what it looks like when it's charging. Notice the white light that comes on and off, on and off. That's what it does exactly until it's fully charged. Now when it's fully charged, the white light stays on permanently and doesn't go off. How well does it clean? It cleans really really well, to the extent I would advise you not to press it too much into your skin, because it can really clean to the extent whereby a bit drying and it will irritate your skin. So as much as possible, just glide it over the skin gently. Do not apply force. I think I did that for like 2-3 days or so there about exactly. My skin kind of like damaged my skin barrier a little bit. So I had to stay off it for a while. And when my skin barrier was now repaired, I now started using it all over again. So now probably maybe it depends on the intensity of the vibration which you use. I really don't know, because I use it on the strongest vibration possible, and I was really pressing it into my skin. So I still use it on the strongest vibration now, but I just kind of like glide it over my skin gently, and it doesn't irritate my skin anymore. And I think that's basically all for this quick review. So like I said, it costs $15, and that's before shipping on AliExpress. I will leave the link below in the description below, and that's just about it. If you have any questions about this, you can leave a comment and I'll answer you. Thank you very much.